Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience into the same field. And today in this video, I'm gonna review School of Digital Marketing course, which is based in Noida. And I will and I will measure it across 10 parameters, including the placement, curriculum, trainings, exports, reviews, and repetition, etc. Right? And but before we dive into the digital marketing course offered by this institute, let's talk real about the digital marketing because it's such a broad field with opportunities in social media, SEO, content writing, website designing, blogging, etc., and more, right? And like the companies will look at your portfolio instead of like companies will look at your portfolio instead of the skills. They will look at your analytical ability, communication, and the so basically, the companies will look at your communication skills, analytical ability, and the portfolio, right? So you should not. So there is no need to focus on all areas, but you will need to be great at one or two focus areas, and you're good to go, right? So if I talk about my personal recommendation, now, before going ahead, if I talk about my personal recommendation, which I personally love and trust, as they are offering 100% placement guarantee and the 100% money back guarantee as well, 100% money back guarantee and the 100% job guarantee as well, because like they are highly reputed institute in the market. So basically, the link is so the link is in my description box. You can definitely go and check out, and you can even compare it with other courses whether it will suitable for your time or not, right? Now, if I come if I come to this course, I will check it across 10 parameters, and they are digital marketing courses in Pune with 100% placement, integrated with AI and Gen AI tools. So basically, they have already mentioned it comes with AI and Gen AI, which is essential in 2025, and it is also coming with 100% job guarantee. Means you will not have to suffer for the job and placement support, right? And they have this is a Pune-based course, and it is awarded as the #1 Digital Marketing Training Institute in India, right? And they're providing the live master classes on Gen AI, personalized marketing, and more. They have simulated campaigns and real-world case studies. The course duration is 2.5 months, both in offline and online mode. The digital marketing course fee is 21,000 with installment options available. The EMI will be no cost. Now, the program highlights are Google Ads certification, online and offline hybrid sessions available, 6 months of membership, mock interviews, 9+ digital marketing certifications, live classes, my mentor, daily session recording, recruitment partners, internship is there, right? So basically, overall, the components of an ideal digital marketing course is there in this course. Now, if I talk about the curriculum, let's head towards the curriculum only. So here comes the course overview. They have search marketing, social media marketing, search SEO, content marketing, website structuring, and like they have covering everything that should be in a course of a digital marketing. Video ads, image ads, discovery ads. They have provided an elaborated version of their course curriculum, and basically they have 11 key modules, including the SEO, SEM, SMM, email marketing, analytics, and more. And there is also 1 month free internship built in, great on paper, but let's analyze the value behind these claims, whether it is worth of your time or not. They are providing 40 plus tools in their digital marketing course, including Google Ads, Google AdSense, Google Analytics, Facebook Ads, Shopify, Hootsuite, Yoast, SEO, and all. So these are the basic tools that must be there in a course. And if I talk about the learning modes and certification, they offer flexibility and online, offline, hybrid, full-time, weekend, and weekdays options are available. And the certifications are coming from Google Online Institute itself, but there is no formal academic accreditation to add weight, like like the HubSpot and all. So you can go with this certifications. But if I now talk about the trainer claims and the reality, so now if I talk about the trainers and all, then they have digital marketing managers, digital marketing trainers, programmatic specialists. So they have mentioned that their faculty is quite professional and came from the digital background as well. But they have not provided any of the public profile links of their trainer profiles, right? So for the transparency, you can ask them for this. And now, if I talk about the placement guarantee, they guarantee placement support. However, if we check the review, then we can get a better clarity if it is clearly there or not. Now, let's come to the fee and the transparency section because uh, they have mentioned that their fees is 21,000 and you will get an access to premium tools. But we will check the reviews for it. So if we go to the Google and check their reviews, basically they have not mentioned any of the reviews on Google, HubSpot, on the Google and the Trustpilot and all. So it is hard to find their reviews. You can even check the YouTube for their transparency and all. So if I talk about so if I talk about their branches, they have 4 to 5 branches in the Pune. Now, if I come to my honest verdict, then if I go to the course curriculum and relevance, it is quite good, but I can give it to the one. The certification and recognition is not that much good. I will give it 0.5. The mode of learning is flexible. I can give it 1. The trainer's expertise and industry experience is also good, but they have not mentioned the trainers to a public profile links. I will give it 0.5. The knowledge of tools and access is somewhere quite good. The placement support and career guidance, basically they have mentioned placement guarantee. I can give it 1, but the money back guarantee is not there. The course duration and fee structure is 3 and 2 months, so I can give it 0.5 because they have 2 months of digital marketing course only, but they are even providing the internship, which is not clear. I can give it 0.5 for the after course support as well. The reviews and reputation of institute is not that much good because it is not that much famous and popular. So you can uh, you can the hands-on learning and practical exposure is also so. I can give it 1. So basically, the total becomes 7.5 out of 10, which is an average score because if you want a surface level marketing training with flashy claims and the flexible modes, this might look appealing. But if you want real mentorship, tool access, and the placement support, so it is not shining into this. And now, if you want a course that comes with a 100% placement guarantee and a money back guarantee too, and if they have 1,000 plus hiring partners globally, then you can go to my recommendation, which is linked in the description box, and you can even compare it with others because it's the outstanding course that you can do. Right, and now if you like this video, just don't forget to subscribe and comment. I will see you in the next video with another topic. And if you are still facing any doubts, just feel free to comment below and I will reply to them one by one with all of the possible solutions. Thank you for watching.